What if AI could make your life easier for free? You'd want to know, right? Especially in 2026 where tech is booming. Imagine having tools that simplify tasks without costing a dime. These tools exist, and they're changing lives in 2026. From chatbots to language translators, the options are vast. But which ones are the most useful and how do they work? As we explore the top 9 free AI tools, you'll see how they can streamline your day. These tools can help with everything from writing to design, and even learning new skills. But here's the thing. Not all AI tools are created equal, and some are more useful than others. Just when you think you've seen it all, there's one tool that stands out from the rest. This tool can help you create stunning videos and images, all for free, and it's a game changer in 2026. If this helped you, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe us for daily tips.